And we have Intelligent here. You're the hip-hop vegan. That's what everyone knows you as.
Yeah. That's right. Hip-hop head since 1988. Vegan since 2000. I edited books written by rappers, published by rappers. My book was featured on Love and Hip Hop. I live and breathe hip hop.
So what's up, everybody? Shanna G here. Award-winning model since 2006. Vegan since 2018. Featured in fashion shows and commercials, inside magazines and on the cover of magazines. And I've even been written about in an anthology.
We've been together for 5 years.
Bonded through our love for entrepreneurship, health, and entertainment.
I'm a graphic designer for my company, Koozie Arts.
And together we own Uswear, a clothing line that empowers people through fashion.
We're a vegan couple handling business and interviewing business owners.
So watch us prepare vegan food and review vegan restaurants.
And catch us entertaining ourselves through the arts, music, and other activities.
Welcome to Vegan Biz.
I need that.
Vegetarian cuisine. Healthful Essence. Oh, that's the spot in the West End.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. All right.
Here we go.
Healthful Essence.
How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
I'm eyeing down this corn.
Yeah.
So you want to try the corn?
So I'm gonna try corn. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. So we're doing 2 corn, right?
Yes, 2 corn.
So follow me. And
We're going to let you shout your business out.
Yeah, shout your business out.
We have an Instagram channel. So,
okay. I didn't know what was happening.
Yeah, just big it up.
So, Free Foods ATL, we do all vegan street food, free from harmful chemicals and processes, soy-free, gluten-free, free from animal protein. So, fresh and local ingredients.
Okay.
Follow me.
We're following you. All right. Get a little shot of the food.
Yes. We have the curry noodle bowl.
Okay. Curry noodle bowl.
We have the jerk oyster mushroom tacos. And we have, thank you so much, we have the street corn.
Yep, that's we about to try the street corn.
Yes, we're going to check that out.
Thank you.
We're going to take one of your cards also.
Yeah, so this is for the person who did my shirts.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. So that I'm letting her promote there as well.
Okay.
So, but yeah, absolutely take one.
Cool.
I'll be ready for you in just a minute.
So we're going to give you one of our cards.
Okay, please do.
Yeah, we
Absolutely.
T-shirt company as well.
Oh yeah, thank you. Yeah, I'll put it right here. Let me take the cards in here. I'll have that ready for you right over there. All right. Yeah, she's waiting. Okay. Another corn, $5.
Live at Reggae in the Park, Piedmont.
Hey, everybody.
Just stopped by a spot called Free Foods. Got this corn. Shit is illmatic. Got veganese on it. Some seasonings. We're gonna see what this be about. I'm working. All right.
Whoa.
sauce. Good though.
Wonder what's that white sauce?
It's veganese, she said. Yeah, you didn't see it when she was making it. They had veganese. What you think?
Very good. It's different. Like she found a niche with this. Like very creative. Like really good. Really,
Free
really
foods.
good. Really, really, really
It's
good.
not free. It's like $5 each.
Yeah, she has a very clever name too. Because people are gonna stop as soon as they see something that says free, but obviously it's not free. But this is really good.
Hip Hop Vegan approved.
Give yourself a hand, everybody. I want everybody to turn around and make some noise for everybody that's sitting down and not back in the room. Make some noise for all the people that are down. Your host, I'm Jennifer Lamos, con Maestro José Jiménez.
You got ice up there. You want more ice?
Hey, what about that? We like that color?
Yeah. We go straight. We go straight.
Oh shit, now that's dope right there. Look at that. They got Tupac, Malcolm X, Muhammad Ali, all of them on the horses right there. Oh shit. Look, they got Obama in the middle. Can you name all of them?
So,
I'm gonna use five.
getting this.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that.
Okay.
Yeah. Yo, this is dope, yo. We got some dope. 6, 7, 6.
I'm gonna get the card reader.
Cash out this value, you said?
Yeah, you gonna catch up?
I want one of those, sir.
All right.
That is dope, yo. That is so dope. How'd you come up with that? Like, you just, I don't know.
It did come to me. I mean, to spread around. This is my ancestors. That's why.
Really? Okay. Are you based in Atlanta?
Not yet, but soon. Yeah, I live in this part.
Okay. I want to know how I can get some more art. You got a card or anything? You got an art Instagram page or anything?
Yeah, I can give you a card.
Okay.
And this paper here, this is like written. Well, 1 second. Let me get the
Okay.
what?
All right. Okay. Do you do self-portrait?
Yeah, the self-portrait.
Okay. 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 I'll be in touch with you. I want
Yeah.
self-portrait.
All right, yeah. I'll bring in a line. Trust me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
All right.
Peace, brother.
Nice to meet you, Kenny.
Right. Hold on. Let me see.
Yeah.
You want some incense?
Are we on video?
Yeah, you in
Straight
there?
from Compton. All the way from Compton.
Straight from Compton?
It's hot as hell out here.
Say word.
I'm melting word.
You want to get some incense?
Not really. If you want.